Nothing short of spectacular was that win by UP in set number 1 against UST.
I know, they started off like a diesel engine. Tagal mag-init, but once they did, everything, you know, all cylinders just kept on firing. Look at that, the service, to start it off with the serve, they did an excellent job with that. Daming points na nakuha ni Southland in that long stretch that she was in the service box. And pagdating naman doon sa attacks, Las Marias was even, you know, dominating that entire zone, that entire outside hit. It was almost a sure point every time she went up. Also, their defense picked up and they were so relaxed. UP was just enjoying that first set. And total opposite of what happened with UST. Attack points 11 for UP, only 10 for UST. Blocking, only a 1-point difference, 3-4 service aces. Ito yung sinasabi natin, Eric. 6-0 for UST and unforced errors 8-5. And when you see the body language of these two teams, parang UP nanalo na ng championship. Itong UST, pinatakbo. During the lahat
sila, no? Usually you see yung mga second stringers.
Yeah, warming up.
Pero lahat pinatakbo ni Coach Mamon, ano?
First time I think I saw that.
Me too. Kaya nga pinoint out ko rin sa'yo while we were analyzing the stats.
Yeah.
And speaking of stats, isa sa pinakamalaking stat na nakakagulat is the 11-10 attacks ng UP. Quinesher natin yan sa ating pregame na kulang ang opensa ng UP, pero nilabas nila lahat ngayon.
That's true. For the past games of UP, they really fell short on that department. Pero ngayon, first set pa lang against UST, they took charge of that department. And let's see what UST will be, or how will they react to that first set loss against UP.
An unforced error on the part of Southland Ramos gives UST the first point here in set number 2. And a good start para sa Uste. There are ladies with a mission here in set number 2. They go up 2-0.
Wow. Yung mind ko, nandun pa rin sa first set, ano? Paano nila?
Hard to get over it. Back set para kay Araneta. Rejected. Ooh, poor first touch. But a save on the second touch by Las Marias. Ito na po ang UST umatake. And Hirotsuji, where did that come from?
Wow.
Not really known for power, pero naglabas ng palo si Hirotsuji that time.
Well, I won't be surprised if every lull you're gonna see these players from USC running.
That's true.
Baka maging regular
na, no?
Oh.
And wow. There's a touch on the defense of UP, and UST off to a good start here, but let's find out what happened in between sets sa huddle ng UP as we check in with Steph C.
You know what, Eric and Ian? 3 sets or 5 sets, it doesn't really matter. What matters is that they win today. So far, Coach Jared said that the challenge for the team is consistency, and that is exactly what he wants the girls to work on. Whether it be motivation, willingness to win, or movement, he needs them to be consistent as well as to stick to the system. Ayaw niya na on and off na lang lagi. There should also be no room for mistakes. That's why Coach Jared further instructed them to limit their errors and just focus on performing well. As long as they execute properly and put the extra effort needed, then everything else will follow. Like he said, wag natin panoorin ng bola at dapat maayos parati ang blocking natin. Eric and Ian?
Thank you. Let's listen more on this UP's huddle.
First, commit na yung wing natin sa middle. Dalawa na kayo sa open. Okay? So ngayon, good receive tayo. Kailangan natin one stop lang. Okay? Kailangan lang mangyayari. Tingnan mo. Kasi mangyayari, ang play natin ngayon, open tsaka 5, di ba? So tingnan mo ngayon kung tama yung reception. Tingnan mo yung gitna.
Ay, pag-ingay lang siya. Wala na tayo
Coach Ubalde, timely timeout, I guess to, no? Lumamang na naman ang UST ng 5. And I don't know if this is a ploy ng UP, ano, na palaging gusto natin underdog. Habol na lang. I mean, they seem to start the same way every set.
if it worked for them in the first set,
why fix something, ano?
I found the coach, ang instruction, sige, palamang muna. Habol tayo.
Ito na naman, nakapundo sa sise.
After my timeout, habol tayo. And if that's the winning strategy, then I wouldn't mind being down by 5-7 points to start off.
Kung hahabol ka rin lang naman, di ba? Di ba Kulakan to Banatikla. Power hit on the cross court. And it seems to be an unstoppable offensive set kung Banatikla in that corner, ano? Pangalawa na yan.
I'm interested to hear what what Coach Oji told the girls during that break.
We'll get some info from Jazz in just a little bit. Las Marias was unstoppable in set number 1.
Yes.
Oh, Caballejo is rejected.
Wow.
Single lady blocked by Jazz on Las
Pangalawa niya
Marias.
na yan, na offensive block on Caballero. Look at, wow, perfect timing.
Napatingin si Judy Caballejo. Parang,
You know why? Kasi yung block niya nanggagaling sa likod. So nakatago lang siya. She jumps but she hides her hands, and then if you're the attacker, you don't see any hands in front of you. And then suddenly after
Lalabas,
hitting, biglang linalabas yung kamay.
Oh, not really the best of setup jobs right there from Magtalas. Oh, another rejection. Solid one from Henido and Ramos.
Southland backing up.
Las Marias. The tip. Abawi. Ni Caballejo that time.
This time, yeah, nakabawi si Julian. And coverage for UP. A bit too slow.
USP number 2, Midori Hirotsuju.
A solid 5-point advantage for Hirotsuji and the rest of the Tigresses. Underhand set from Magtalas. Oh, Las Marias.
Wow, they keep it alive.
Lucky break para sa UP. Caballejo. Medyo iningatan na. Goes above the blockers. Ramos.
Outside shot by Ramos.
Just wide by a hair. Yung palo. It's out in Ramos. And UST gets to our first timeout. First 8-2 here in set number 2.